Today I'm going to be using the 5-piece curling wand set, which of course is available at themcexperience.com. Duh. But this is mine. Mine is pink, and I'm sorry, I'm currently sold out of the pink one. All I have left is the black one. However, it is temperature adjustable. It goes up to 450 degrees, and it is digital, so you know exactly what temperature it's on. So it is a 5-piece set, and I decided to use the middle one, which is actually the 1 inch to a 1/4 of an inch. It gets a 1/4 of an inch up here, and it goes all the way down to the size 1 inch right here. I really want to use a 1 inch one, but what I do with it. So for now, I gotta use this one. I'm also gonna use this. Hold on. Okay, I'm also going to use this Tool Science brush. It looks like this, and I'm just going to brush the hair out. Now, don't come for me. Don't come for me, because this wig is a few years old, okay? And this is when they first started coming out with the frontals, so the hairline on this is thick, which is why I don't wear it like a traditional frontal. I'll let you see it right here. See how thick that is? We don't do that no more, especially not in 2019, baby. We got, let me show you what we got. Hold on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. See, this is what we do in 2019. Y'all see that hairline? Y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see that? Baby, it's pre-plucked now. We don't do this no more in 2019. So that's why I only wear this one parted off to the side. Now I could pluck the hairline with the tweezers and do all that jazz, but honey, I'm not gonna do all that. Plus, I made the wig a little bit too small for my head anyway. This is also when we was wearing stuff behind the hairline. So she's cute like that, off to the side, and that's how I wear her. But anyway, back to the tutorial. So you're gonna take your brush, make sure you get out all of the tangles that may possibly be in the hair. Okay, and if you're wondering, this is from the mink line. And it is straight hair. Okay, so now that we've done all that, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my curling one. And I really should have done this already, but I didn't. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in now. And this is how you do it. You just simply, it has a connector, connect it in, and boom, super easy. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna let that warm up. Give it a second while it's warming up. Let me go ahead and clip this side together. Put this side together. I'm gonna start on my right side like this. And when it's done warming up, since it's digital, you'll know the numbers won't be climbing anymore. So it's still warming up. It takes about a minute to warm up. So actually, it's a look, honey. This is actually, hold on, wait, hold on. That's kind of cute. It's kind of cute.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I let mine heat up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And what I do is I take the hair and I wrap it around the wand, leaving the end straight for about 10 seconds, and I drop it. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Now I'm gonna take another section of hair and I'm actually gonna curl it the opposite way. So that first section, I took it and I curled it going over the barrel like that. I'm gonna come around the barrel this way and curl it the opposite way. Same technique, leaving the end straight. You can wind it up a little bit higher if you want to. Leave it on there for about 10 seconds. And drop. And I'm gonna just keep doing that throughout the head. Alright, so yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. Real cute, real cute, real cute. So I'm gonna do this other side real quick and we'll come back. This is what we looking like so far. Yes, yes, cute. And all right, sorry, I feel myself. So now that we are at the top section, I'm going to work with the sides that I started off with first. So I'm going to take, hold on. Okay, sorry I had the fan on. It was, you know, it'd be hot in here. You might not know, but it gets hot in here. But anyway, I'm gonna take this top section and brush it out, just like I did the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna split this into two. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl this one. So I'm gonna curl this one coming towards the face, like so. Let that drop. Alright, now this section, I'm gonna take the curling wand and curl it away from the face. Let that drop. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing to this side. And y'all don't worry about them baby hairs sticking out. Remember I told y'all that this is a old frontal. Yeah. Now this is what it's looking like. And I got all my little curls in. I'll take my fingers and literally rub through the curls. For this section, take that brush. And sometimes what I will do is I'll go ahead and put a little bump in the front section to give it a little volume in the bang so that it won't be flat, because I don't like a flat bang. And yeah, this is how I get my flat natural density wigs to have super big voluminous